Hi children, yesterday we completed previous class we completed 2.1 exercise, that is linear equation in one variable. Same, now continuation here, verbal problems, we have to learn today verbal problems. Now before going to this exercise, we have to recall some previous knowledge about triangles. Then what are the properties of triangle? Then in triangle, what are the properties? First one, measure of three angles in a triangle is 180. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles, interior opposite angles. Next, if the triangle is isosceles triangle, then equal sides opposite angles are equal. These three main points we have to recall from previous knowledge. Now here find the x value in the following figures. Now ABC is one triangle and angle ACD is exterior angle. What is the relation between exterior angle and interior angle? Exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. That means 56 degree plus x degree is equal to 123. Transpose 56, x is equal 123 minus 56 is equal to 67 degree. Next, now this is two triangles are intersect at O. Now here in this we can see two isosceles triangle. This is first triangle, this is second triangle. Both are isosceles triangle. Why? Because two sides are equal. Then we call isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, what is the property? Opposite angles of equal sides are equal. Then this angle BAO is equal to AOB because AB and OB are equal. Here in triangle AOB, triangle AOB, AB is equal to OB. AB is equal to OB. Then angle A is equal to angle O because the equal sides opposite angles are equal. Now angle O is equal to, angle A is equal to 3x plus 10 is equal to angle O, means this is 3x plus 10. Next, now CDO. In this triangle also two sides are equal, CO and CD are equal. Then we can say that O is equal to D. Before going to that, here two triangles are intersecting at O. Now in one more property in transversal, if two lines are intersect one place, opposite vertically opposite angles are equal. Now angle AOB is equal to angle COD. What is that? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Then AOB, what is that AOB? 3x plus 10 is equal to angle COD. Then this is 3x plus 10. Next, in triangle COD, now we have to take COD. OC is equal to CD. OC is equal to CD. Then isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, what is the property? The angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. Then angle COD is equal to angle D is equal to 3x plus 10. Now, this angle is 3x plus 10. Now, COD, 3 angles are there. Then one more property, what is that one more property? 3 angles in a triangle, sum of 3 angles in a triangle is 180. Now, 2x plus 3x plus 10 plus 3x plus 10 is equal to 180. Angle sum property. What is that? Angle sum property. What is that? Total angle in a triangle is 180. Now add all x. 2, 3, 3 means total how much? 8x is equal to 180 minus 20 is equal to 160. X is equal to 160 by 8 is equal to 20 degree. Now what is the x value? 20 degree. Now another question. What are those two numbers whose sum is 58 and difference is 28? Now here two numbers, unknown numbers are there. Then we have to assume first two unknown numbers, two variables. Two numbers is equal to x and y. We don't know those two numbers. Then we know only sum and difference. Then first we have to assume two numbers x and y. Then sum of two numbers is equal to 58 difference of two numbers is equal to 28. Sum means what? Addition. Now x plus y is equal to 28. Difference means what? X minus y is equal to, this is 58, 28. Now we have to solve these two equations. Now already you learnt in 7th class. X plus y is equal to 58. X minus y is equal to 28. Add these two equations. You will get, x plus x, 2x plus y minus y will cancel. 2x is equal to 86. X is equal to 86 by 2. 2 how many times goes? 43. Now x is equal to 43. X plus y is equal to 58. Substitute x value in this equation. 43 plus y is equal to 58. Y is equal to 58 minus 43 is equal to 15. Now two numbers are 43, 50. Now what he given? What are the two numbers whose sum is 58, difference is 28? Here he did not given any numbers, but what the clues given? Sum and difference given. With the help of sum and difference, you have to find out the numbers. Now first we have to assume two numbers x and y. Sum of two numbers 58. What is the algebraic equation? X plus y is equal to 58 because sum means addition. Now next, difference of two numbers 28 means x minus y is equal to 28. Now we have to solve those two equations. You will get x and y. Next, sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. Find the numbers. What is the meaning of consecutive? Consecutive means continuation numbers. Suppose 20, 30, 20, 21, 22. But starting any number, but we have to write continuation numbers. Those are called consecutive. Now suppose 1, 2, 3, 100, 101, 102, 103. Now next, odd numbers, consecutive odd numbers. What are odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7. Then in algebraic equation we can say, if you don't know those odd numbers, then we can say first one x, second one x plus 2, Why? Because the odd numbers, two odd numbers difference is always 2, because odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7. Then 1 after 3 means what is the difference between those two numbers? 2. Then we have to add next number. If you want to second odd number, you have to add to first number 2. Then you will get the continuation odd numbers. Now, two consecutive odd numbers. Assume first. Two consecutive odd numbers is equal to x plus 2. Suppose if they will ask consecutive natural numbers, then you can write x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. But here what he is asking odd numbers, means the difference between two odd numbers is 2. Then we have to write x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 like that. Then even numbers also like this only, x plus 2, x plus 6, x plus 4, x plus 6 like that. Next, two consecutive odd numbers x plus 2. Sum of two consecutive odd numbers is equal to, how much are given? 56. Then what is the sum of two consecutive odd numbers? What we assumed, x plus 2. Then sum means we have to add x plus x 2 is equal to 56. X how much? 2x is equal to 56 minus 2. 2x is equal to 54. Then x is equal to 54 by 2 is equal to 27. Now x value what is that? 27. Now next, x plus 2 is equal to 27 plus 2 is equal to 29. Now what are the two consecutive odd numbers? Two numbers is equal to 27, 29. Here first we have to check these two are odd numbers or not. Yes, these two are odd numbers. Then consecutive means continuation or not. 27 after 29. Then we can say these two are consecutive odd numbers. Now what he given in the question? Sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. That means if you add two any continuation to odd numbers, you have to get 56. What are those numbers? Now two consecutive odd numbers, x plus 2. Why we have to take x plus 2? First odd number we assumed x. Next odd number x plus 2. That means odd numbers, difference between two odd numbers always 2. Difference between two even numbers 2. Then next odd number must be add to that number 2. Now x plus 2. Then x plus 2 is equal to 56. If you solve those equation, you will get x 27, x plus 2 29. Then two numbers is equal to 27, 29.